You wake up, check your bank app, and again, your balance is embarrassing. You worked hard, you made money. So where did it all go? You're not stupid, you're not lazy, you're just stuck in a broken system. And today, we're gonna fix all of it. What's fixing all of it? Hey, welcome to Avio Corriginet. I help Nigerians, everyday Nigerians, break free from poverty through simple business tips, budgeting strategies, and real life investment. And today's video, I'll be revealing 7 budgeting mistakes keeping many of us broke, how to fix them, and how to start budgeting even with 20,000 naira income. That shouldn't come as a surprise. Some of us earn that monthly. Let's begin. So the number one mistake we all are guilty of is not having a budget at all. Let's be honest, most Nigerians don't have a written budget. They just spend money as it enters their account. Some will say, I already know what I want to buy. Why will I write it down? But here's the truth. When you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Now, a budget is not about restriction. It's about direction. Alright? Even a simple list on paper or your phone can save you from overspending. On number 2 mistake, we have budgeting only after spending. This one is very sneaky. Many people budget after spending. Now, see what they do. They wait until the money is almost finished. Then they start calculating how to survive the rest of the month. My dear, that is not budgeting. That is not, don't even deceive yourself. That is managing disaster. Your budget should come before you spend a kobo. As soon as that alert enters your account, as soon as it drops, your calculator should be out, your book should be out, your budgeting app, either on your phone, your Microsoft Word, whatever it is, should be out. It is not when you finish spending, you now start budgeting. That is not how it works. Number 3 mistake is copying other people's lifestyle. Some of you want to you have a champagne budget on Gary income. Who you want to impress just to look good online? I beg, stop it, quit it, stop it. It's a mistake. Don't do it. Stop it. Number 4 mistake we make is forgetting irregular expenses. Now you budget for rent in December, but the bill comes in March. You forget your cousin's wedding next month. Suddenly, you're borrowing again. Now, you need to have a seasonal expense. We have seasonal expenses section in your budget. List things that don't happen every month, but can shake your account, like your rent, your school fees, your handout, all these burial contributions. Someone dies and you have to contribute, all this committee of friends, blah blah blah, Ashebi, December travel, right? You should have a seasonal expenses section in your budget. Some of us, we budget based on hopes, not reality. Now, this is very common. You're expecting a freelance gig or a customer's payment or a free money. Maybe your brother promised you one free money like that. You will not include it in your budget as if it is confirmed. Don't do that. Don't do it. Only budget based on money you actually have, not money that you're hoping or praying will come. Hope is not a strategy. I'm not saying you should not hope or bank and all of that, but I'm telling you that you should not budget based on hopes, but reality. When it is in your account, you can then budget, not when you are still dreaming of it. Number 6 mistake that we make is that we don't budget for emergencies. No emergency fund. Life in Nigeria is very unpredictable. Today you are fined, tomorrow your phone screen breaks, or there's a family emergency. If you don't budget at least 500 naira or 1,000 naira monthly for emergencies, you end up borrowing or selling something that you need. So you can start small, even if it's 200 naira a week. These things, small drops of water, makes a mighty ocean. So 500 naira a week adds up to something big. Alright, so you can be able to take care of your emergencies when they come. The last very common mistake that we make or are guilty of is budgeting without tracking. Now, remember that I said we're going to fix all of this. We're going to fix all of those problems. We're just looking at them one after the other before we fix them. Now, some people create a budget but never track it. They just write it and forget it. That's like writing like a fitness plan and you never exercise. At the end of the month, you look back. Did I overspend? What category shocked me? What worked? What didn't? Now, this helps you get better over time. Now, let's jump off to the next section. But before we jump off to the next section, I don't want you feeling bad. If you've made any of the 7 mistakes, don't feel bad. We are all guilty of this, but the good news is it is never too late to start. Even if you earn small, even if you're just starting life, the habit of finance and budgeting will change your finances. Now, let's jump into the budgeting system that actually work. The 60, 30 to 10 rule. Now, let's break it down. The 60 goes for your basic needs. The 30% goes to your growth, and the 5k goes to unexpected life wahala, of course. Let's break this down. If you earn 50,000 naira, so 30k goes to your basic needs, 15k goes to your growth, and 5,000 for your unexpected life wahala. Let's break down 20,000 naira. Feeding takes 8,000, tea fare 3k, airtime 1.5, your savings 2k, offering 1,000, emergency 1.5, miscellaneous 3,000. Or you can also try out the envelope system. When the money drops into your account, withdraw it and then physically divide your cash into envelopes. One goes to food, your basic needs, of course, as we put before, your basic needs, your growth. This growth covers your savings, your investment, and the likes of it, and your unexpected life wahala. Now, this forces discipline. Seal them and keep them. So when you want to use, just pick the particular envelope. So the third system is the daily budget technique. Now, this is great for students and low-income earner. You break your monthly income into daily spending limits. Now, let's break 100,000 naira. If you earn 100k monthly, here's how you can break it down. Your feeding takes up 25,000 naira. Your transport, 10,000 naira. For your data and airtime, 5,000 naira. Your rent, you save 10k monthly towards your 120k yearly rent or above. Your savings, 10k go into your savings. Your emergency fund, we have 5,000 naira. For your tithe, you have 10,000 naira, of course. Your electricity bills, probably 2k within the 5k range, of course. Your skincare, 5,000 naira. For your enjoyment, 5,000 naira. Miscellaneous, 5,000 naira. Now, have you seen how every naira has an assignment? That is the difference between people who grow and those who stay stuck. Now, here are 5 simple tricks that keeps you disciplined. Use separate bank accounts. One for spending, one for savings, one for your investment. Out of sight, they say, is out of mind. Number 2, automate your savings. Immediately your alert or your salary, whatever hits your account, transfer your savings. Remove it before temptation hits. Remove it every payday before temptation hits. Now, mute your vendors until your budget is safe. This will allow you spend well. Avoid impulsive spending. Carry cash instead of using cards. When you go to the market, withdraw the money you want to spend in the market. Withdraw it, making sure it is at hand. Go to the market, spend it. If it finishes, if it's not your budget, you will spend according to your budget and come back home. Do you understand? Say no to JS spending. Plan your enjoyment, or you self deserve maybe once in 3 months, or I don't know, whatever it is. Just budget some small something for enjoyment. Enjoy ice cream, take ice cream, go to the beach, just small now, because my dear, you cannot come and kill yourself. Yes. Now, there's something I'd like for you to note down. This is very much important. Some of you will think, oh, she's teaching me how to be stingy with myself. But that's not true. Budgeting is not about suffering. It's about control. All right? It is choosing to build a future where your money works for you. It is the power to help your parent. It is the power to start a business. It is your power to sleep in peace, even when the economy is bad. And you can all agree with me that the economy is totally bad. Your salary is not too small. Your strategy is. And now you have one. You have tons and you have a lot of strategies to yourself.
Super.
If this helped you in any way at all, please like, subscribe, and share it with 3 people who need financial peace. In my next video, I will show you the 6 bank accounts every Nigerian should have for wealth, business, and peace of mind. So click on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Until then, bye.